Yo guys, everything I need to get the Beamer back up and running just came in like 5 days early. Super stoked to get everything thrown on and get this car, on the road again. Getting ready to pull out the bumper from this side. Euro car things, huh? Yeah, I can hear them all falling in there. They're probably gone forever. But I will worry about that later. These are the M3 springs that we got put in last night. Let's take a look at what we pulled off of the car. This is what came off the car. I just accepted that I'm not going to be able to get this in here without destroying the head gasket, destroying the lower exhaust manifold, destroying the timing belt or the timing chain guide. It's just, get a friend to help you. It's okay to ask for help on this part for sure. All right, final torque down is finally done. Ooh, that was tiring. So, first torque down, it's 20 pounds. Leave it for 30 minutes. And then there's a second torque down. We have to do 90 degrees, in the actual pattern, which is this, all weird. Then you give it about 15 minutes. Putting that good. Fucking next generation, baby.
Say what you're doing.
This is the very first attempt to start the car.
It doesn't smell beautiful. Is it on? It's on! Ah!
Shooting stars came crashing down, and we're building back up again now.
A man who on every occasion has given the best that he has.
I'll be right beside you.
We wanted to run, we wanted to fall together. Back then our world seemed so clear. We grew so bright, shimmering lights around us. We'd take flight into the sky. How many worlds would you cross to use the light that's right in front of you? There is no light on the other side. I say, look straight ahead and you will see. You will see. You will see. How many worlds would you cross?
You love unboxing new toys, don't you? Oh, and it smells like paint. Oh, it's so fresh. Made to order. Delicious. All right, got those guys on. We're doing it without the bumper for now. May or may not put the bumper on after this, I'm not sure. But essentially the bumper would just slide through here, and it has two bolts that would also run through there that you would just run the nuts through on the other side. So you know, if you're running the bumper, you don't need these. But yeah, we're gonna do it without for now because I want to make it look drifty and cool. So, yo, this thing is huge.
You on into the stars, we'll ride away from all the wars, close the doors and disappear again. And I don't know how many times I've said that this is not the end, and we will make it out of here alive. Oh, alive. Alive. Oh, alive. Alive. How many worlds would you cross to use the light that's right in front of you? There is no light on the other side. I say, look straight ahead and you will see. You will see. You will see.
Alright, we'll do another one. We'll do right here. Right, you can actually see.
There is no light on the other side. I say, look straight ahead and you will see. How many worlds would you cross to use the light that's right in front of you? There is no light on the other side. I say, look straight ahead and you will see. You will see.
Help me. Aaron's holding me here against his will. My will. No, haven't eaten.
Oh shit.
Drink water.
Yeah, what's water?
My face. Please send help. If you're seeing this, I might be dead already.